Welcome back, guys, to another Full Sun Entertainment video. Today I'm going to be trying out Cerakote trim coat. I saw some videos online of it and I decided I wanted to try it out. You might have saw a few videos back, Brendan used it on his CR250 on the airbox, but didn't really do the process right. So I'm going to follow the instructions, more of a tutorial today. The first thing I had to do was clean all the trim with Dawn dish soap. It has to be a wax-free soap, and it recommends that one. The second thing I need to do is tape off all the paint because it specifically says not to get it on the paint. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then we'll get to trying this. Oh, and I'm going to be doing this on my car and my sister's Jeep, which is the plastic on that's really bad, so that's going to be where the real test is.
Look who decided to show up.
What's up, you goon?
How's the ride going?
That was good. Haven't died yet.
That's always a plus.
How's the trim coat working?
Still working on taping.
Damn, slow ass.
Bro, I just started like 10 minutes ago. How's the CR parts fine going?
I pulled the money on my digit account, so it takes a day to transfer.
Getting close.
Unless I want to lose $2, and I really don't want to lose $2.
At this point, you need every cent you can get.
That's what I'm saying, bro. But after the transfer, it's getting ordered. So, wow.
That's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, bro. You doing the whole thing?
Yeah, I already got this side over here taped.
Sweet.
That was the first side.
Dyson.
Still working.
Dyson.
Alright, all the taping's done on my car now. So this is ready for the trim coat, but before I do that, real quick, I just want to show you how bad the fenders are on here. They're almost white, so I'm going to do a line of tape on it so we can see how well it works. This might need 2 coats, so I'll do the first one and see how it looks. Alright, I think this is going to be the easiest spot to show you how to do it. So you want to make sure your trim's cool to the touch. You don't want to do it in direct sunlight. And once you have the wipe out, you want to do passes and then overlap half a pass each time. So I'm going to get my glove on and get one packet out. Then I'll start putting it on. Alright, so I just finished doing my car. It only took me 2 wipes, and this plastic's actually looking pretty good. It turned out better than I thought it would anyway. So I'd like to do a update in the future, maybe at the end of the summer, to see how this stuff holds up. So now that I'm done with this, it's time to tackle that bad boy over there.
Jeez, that thing just revived.
That's crazy.
Jeez.
Ready to take that tape off?
Yeah. That's
Wow.
nuts.
That is a crazy difference.
That is nuts.
That's
This stuff
insane.
works. Jeez, a face.
Wow, I did not think one coat would do that much.
Yeah, that's wild. This thing's gonna look good when it's done now.
Alright, so my car's dry now. We took all the tape off. You can see a little bit of a difference there. It's actually a big difference where I missed right in there. But anyway, thanks for watching. This project turned out really well. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment on the videos. Stay tuned for next week.